Hello, and welcome to the Student's Guide to eReserves. This tutorial will give a brief description of our eReserves service, along with some instructions on how to access the materials for your course. eReserves is a library service that has been created for students to electronically access materials that instructors have placed on reserve for a specific course. There are several types of items that can be placed in eReserves. File formats including, but not limited to, permalinks from our library's website linking to articles or books, PDFs of scanned book chapters, Word documents, images, media, study guides, instructor files, and much more. I will demonstrate a few different methods to access eReserves. If your instructor has published a Canvas site for their course, you can view eReserves through Canvas. First, log into Canvas, select the course you want to view, and select eReserves on the development list. Your eReserves will display directly from this module, and now you have direct access to your course. You can also access your eReserves course from a direct link or from our page on the library's website. Your instructor could have sent you a direct link to your course reserves. If you select the URL, the address will take you directly to your course. Then you will need to sign in with your Fresno State credentials and enter in the password that was provided to you by your instructor. You can also access eReserves through the Fresno State Library website at library.fresnostate.edu. From the main library page, select Services, Our Services, and select eReserves. Scroll down to Access Materials and select the Library eReserves button. This page will display all of the eReserves courses that are active this semester. You can navigate by instructor, term, and subject as well. Once you find your course, you will need to sign in using your Fresno State credentials, then enter the password that was provided to you by your instructor. Contact your instructor if you need the password, as the library cannot give out this information to students. Thank you for watching this guide. If you have any questions about eReserves or the library, please contact us.